How do different cultures, in your experience, manage stress and increase well-being across the world? Very knowledgeable question. Those were knowledgeable too, but this has kind of a good depth. So this is really this is a reflective question. Different cultures. Yes, cultures. Every culture has something to offer for global health, global well-being and awareness. Every culture, whether it is a very small culture, tribal group, island culture, or culture practiced by many people. Every culture has some profound thing to offer in a unique way for the beauty and well-being of the planet and humanity. Seriously. And I said in one of my talks, I think a long time ago, even really, like all different cultures are like different flowers in the garden of humanity. I said, spiritual awareness alone can weave them into garland of oneness. That was the phrase. So, cultures are very important for us. Without culture, life would be so boring and dull, really, because saying the same mass-produced glasses and plates and furnitures and nothing creative, innovative, colorful, exciting. It's like prison. Although you are outside, we are walking freely, but still it's like prison because everything is just cultureless, colorless, uncreative, mechanized, systematized and programmed. Is too dry for us because that's actually this is one of the main reasons why we are really becoming less and less sensitive to human emotions, because we are not keeping that active and working. So that part of our being, something illogical yet highly intuitive, which is emotional part, that is very important really, because if we don't practice that, if we don't revive that part of our being, that part of our consciousness, that emotive means emotional and heart level awareness and consciousness, what happens? We lack empathy in the future. Already it is happening in some portion of humanity. Means we get immune to others' sufferings and their their troubles, and we don't say anything. Nothing happens. That means we lose all the faculties that come with that resource. Faculties such as intuition, even memory, and our feeling abilities. We lose. We become robotic too, really. That's the reason it's very essential for us to establish connection with with our many things outside. So cultures really, they deal with stress due to festivals. They celebrate festivals and some their own way of really gatherings in a different way, and they express, they discuss, talk about it, and in so many ways really they overcome their stress, and there's always something going on. Yes, so there are less depressed people in places where cultures are more practiced or more prevalent even today. Seriously, you can check statistically. This proves.